Hello and welcome to a video overview of how to create your own stop animation Google Slide projects. Before we take a look at how to create these stop animation projects using Google Slides, let's take a look at a few examples first. So in this example, we have a plant that is growing, and we can see the growth of the plant here in this stop animation slide project. So Teresa Williams in our department actually created this one. She did it by making several slides and then having a photograph of a plant growing. And she actually said that she found the photos of the plant online and then just put them on different slides, and she published this to the web, and as you can see, it's moving through each slide down here. So it's looping through the slides. You can see that down here. Another example of this is right here with this desert snowman going with the clouds following it and the sun moving as well. Okay, and you can see down here again, the slides are moving at a rapid pace down here. Okay, the one with the plant, the slides are moving a little slower. So you can actually change the timing on these slides after you publish it to the web. We can see up here, this one's moving at 1,000 milliseconds per slide. So 1,000 milliseconds is 1 second. Okay, so that's 1 second per slide. Over here, with the desert snowman, it's moving much faster. It's moving at 100 milliseconds per slide. And when you publish to the web, the lowest timing that you have is 1 second. So I'll show you in a little bit how you can change that to lower than 1,000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. Okay. So how were these created? Well, let's go over here. And actually, before I show you that one, she did make another one. Here's one more. And this one's just a happy day at the beach. That's what she titled it. And how did she make these? So let's go over here. Okay, so this one right here, she calls it Happy Mini Movie. That was the name of it. And these aren't really movies, but they kind of look like that because the slides are moving so quickly, the frames are, that it looks almost like a video, like a little movie. So she started off with this first slide. She has a background here, which she set as the background in the slide. So there's parts of this that are not going to move, like the palm tree's not going to move. This again is all part of the background, so I can't move it, I can't do anything to it. Okay, the sun though is going to move, as is the person right here. So she duplicated the slide, and you can see that the sun moved a little. She has, if I click on that, she has that set right here. So if I click and drag it, she actually has that here, and then she put this over it, and then on this slide, she moved it slightly. So she rotated it a little bit. Okay, and then you can see also that from this slide to this slide, the arms and the legs on the person are moving. So what she did was from going from slide 2 to slide 3, she slightly adjusted by rotating the arms a little. So we can rotate this one a little. That's what she did. Okay. And then again, she rotated the arms and legs again. And she did this on several slides. So, and then on slide 7 is where she added some eyes and a little mouth for the person. Okay. And this goes all the way to 17 slides. Okay. And then what she did was she went to File and then Publish to the web. And she selected these two check marks, start the slideshow as soon as the player loads. And then she changed this from every 3 seconds, which is the default, to every second. Okay, and she published it. Then you copy this link here after it's published, open it in a new tab, which is what we'll do. So I'm pasting it there. And you can see that the default is 1,000 milliseconds. And I shouldn't say that's the default. We changed it to 1 second. So 1,000 milliseconds again is 1 second. If I want to make that go even faster, I take a 0 off of that, and it becomes 100 milliseconds. Okay, and then I press Enter on my keyboard. Okay, and we can see it's now moving around And we can see down here again, the slides are moving at 100 milliseconds per slide. So it's moving very quickly. Now, this link we could send to somebody or publish it on the web. So we could put it on our website. We could send it to students through our learning management system, whether it be Canvas, Google Classroom, whatever you're using to get this to students. And students can also create these in slides and then send this link right here to you. So they would just copy it and send it to you via email, via maybe a Google site they have, or whatever they're publishing it with on the web. And that's a basic overview of how you create a stop animation project using Google Slides. I hope this information helped. Thank you for watching.